Hey everyone, I'm Pega. Welcome to the very first video of my JavaScript series, an introduction to JavaScript. This series is designed to take you from absolute beginner to writing real code confidently. Let's dive straight in. JavaScript is the engine of the modern web. HTML builds the structure, CSS adds the style, but JavaScript brings it to life. Every time you click a button, refresh a feed, or see dynamic animations, that's JavaScript running right in your browser. It started as a simple tool for web pages, but today it runs everywhere, from front-end browsers to massive back-end servers. If you want to be a real web developer, mastering JavaScript isn't optional, it's mandatory. Before we write code, you need to know where to look when you get stuck. For this series, I'll be using javascript.info because its structure is incredibly clear and beginner-friendly. For an official, deep-dive reference, you'll want to use MDN Web Docs. It's the ultimate JavaScript dictionary. And when your code breaks and throws an error, Stack Overflow is where you'll find solutions from millions of other developers who face the exact same problem. Bookmark these 3 sites. You're going to need them. To write our JavaScript code, we need a solid code editor. I highly recommend Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. It's completely free, fast, and the absolute standard for web developers worldwide. Go ahead, head over to their official website, download it for your operating system, and install it. Once you open it, click on the Extensions icon on the left menu, search for Live Server, and hit Install. This extension lets us run our code and see the results instantly in the browser every time we save. Once you have it ready, we can finally start coding. That's it for our introduction. You now know what JavaScript is. You have your reference sites bookmarked, and your environment is ready. Drop a comment if you're ready. Hit that subscribe button. And in the next video, we are writing our very first line of actual code and making things happen on screen. See you there.